Bird and Kip. Episode 25. Good at Something. One morning, Bird was drawing.
What are you doing?
Asked Kip.
I'm drawing a bird,
Said Bird.
Wow,
Said Kip.
I didn't know you liked to draw. Oh, I love to draw,
Said Bird.
You're very good at it.
Said Kip.
I wish I was good at something. You're good at something.
Said Bird.
You're good at cooking. You made that yummy acorn gumbo. But it smelled bad.
Said Kip.
So I'm not that good at cooking. I wish I was very good at something. There must be something,
Said Bird. Kip tried to think of something. He thought and thought. At last, he had an idea.
I know, Bird.
Said Kip.
Watch this. What are you doing?
Asked Bird.
I'm standing on my head.
Said Kip.
I'm going to be very good at it.